Hey Raw Travelers! I wanted to do an update video about a credit card that I've been using for a long time. It's called the Freedom Card by Chase. Now this card has actually been discontinued. I have this card. It's just called the Freedom Card, but now they have a replacement for it. The closest card that is similar to this one is called the Freedom Flex Card. But the reason why I have this card there's many reasons, because this card has a lot of benefits to it. You get a lot of bonuses. Every quarter you have to register. They will send you an email and you register for that quarterly bonus, and they'll give you 5% back for that category. And this particular quarter, which is from January 2024 until the end of March 2024, that category includes grocery stores. And I think most of us use grocery stores. In fact, it's probably where I spend most of my money. So when you go to a grocery store, this excludes Target and Walmart, but all other grocery stores in the United States are eligible. So use the card at a grocery store and you'll get 5 times bonus points, which are ultimate rewards points, or you can get cash back. Depending if you have another ultimate rewards card, you can use ultimate rewards. If you don't, then you just get cash back. But either way, it's 5%, and that's a really good deal. And I highly recommend you do it. And if you don't, like, you can go up to $1,500 per quarter on this bonus. And if you don't expect to spend that much money on groceries for the first 3 months of the year, then what you could do is you can go to those grocery stores and buy gift cards from the grocery stores that you normally shop at anyways, and then you can use the gift cards later on in this year, or you can keep them as long as you like. So that's a strategy to max out to the maximum of the $1,500. So let's say you only spent about $500 or $600 or $700 in the quarter. So before the end of March, you can go and spend another $700 or $800 in gift cards, and then you can keep your gift cards and use them as you need them. So that's a great strategy. It works. I do that all the time. And I'll see you again on another flight.